So now I'm sitting in the car and I have to get out. And it's still coming down. There's no reprieve from the rain. Can you see this? Can you see that? Look at that lake. That's my neighbors who never ever clean the storage drain. Wish me luck. Hello. Oh. Yeah, I guess you could say it's a little wet out there. I guess you could say that heavy rainfall warning probably was right this time. Because, yeah, it's raining. And it's raining heavy. Did you just see that? Oh my god. I think I might have just crapped my pants a little. Okay, well the lightning is obviously very close.